Good morning, everyone. Sir, this is our final poster making output in reading in the Philippine history. Next slide, please. This is our member. Introduction. In 1998, the National Historical Institute officially settled the long-standing controversy over the site of the recorded first Mass in the Philippines on March 31, 1521 between Limasawa, Southern Leyte, and Masao, and also the Butuan city in Mindanao. Next slide, please. The first Mass involved these individuals: Antonio Pigafetta, an Italian scholar, explorer, and chronicler. He wrote encounters with parts of Latin America and East Indies, early communities and cultures, and indigenous flora and fauna. His chronicle became a primary source of the study of pre-colonial Philippines. Next slide. And we have here Friar Pedro Valderrama. Was a Spanish and a chaplain of Magellan who conducted the first Catholic Mass in the Philippines. And for the third, we have here Ferdinand Magellan and his men paved the war for the beginning of Christianity in our country. Ferdinand Magellan was a Portuguese explorer who organized the Spanish expedition to the East Indies from 1519 to 1522, resulting in the first circumnavigation in the earth. And for the last one, we have Francisco Albo, the pilot of Victoria, one of the ships in Magellan fleet, documented the voyage after Magellan's death in the logbook. And based on our research, the logbook contains important navigational information that supports the claim regarding the location of the first mast. The location of the first mast ever celebrated in the Philippines is subject to controversy. And in 1521, Father Pedro de Valderrama conducted the first Catholic Mass on Easter Sunday. This event occurred on March 31 during an expedition to the East Indies, led by the Portuguese explorer Ferdinand Magellan. Father Valderrama improvised an altar and led the Mass, which was attended by his fellow sailors and several local tribal leaders and residents. On the same Easter Sunday afternoon, Magellan instructed his crew to place a large wooden cross on a hilltop overlooking the sea. A few days later, the Magellan expedition proceeded to the island of Cebu. In April 1521, Father Valderrama baptized the local tribal chief and Visayan natives, thereby establishing the first Catholic community. However, conflicting claims challenged the true location of where the first Mass was held. Next slide. Now, the question is, in which place did it actually occur? In Limasawa or in Butuan? Next slide.
So, historical controversies. Before we address the site of the first Mass in the Philippines, let us consider the historical context that preceded it. So, Magellan's expedition arrived at the Ladrones Islands, or the Islands of Thieves. So, uh, these people have no arms but use sticks, which have a fishbone at the end. They are poor but indigenous and great thieves. And for the sake of that, we call these islands the Ladrones Islands. So they arrive, Antonio Pigafetta and Ferdinand Magellan arrived at the Homonhon Island on March 16, 1521, rested there and hid for 2 days until on 18th of March, 9 men came forward, expressing happiness and enthusiasm upon encountering them. Magellan understood that men were welcoming and greeted them with food, beverages, and presents. Pigafetta described with astonishment and fascination the palm tree that produced fruits known as cochos and wine. He portrayed the locals as extremely hospitable and amiable, willingly guiding them around the various islands and discovering the names of these islands. So, as mentioned earlier, those who those friendly people who approached them, proving that even before the pre-colonial period, hospitality of Filipino are already existing up until now. So they were so accommodating and generous enough to showcase various of islands that Philippines owns, and those are the Ladrones Islands that is currently known as the Marianas Islands. And after 10 days, they arrived at the Isle of Zamals, Zamal, also called as the Samar. And Piga- Pigapetta reported on March 25 that they observed two balanghay or balangay, a lengthy boat filled with individuals in Mazava or Mazawas. Magellan and the leader, whom he called the king, developed a close relationship and exchanged gifts. Uh, in that Mazawa thing, that led to a misconception of the history because there is a place in Butuan named Masao. That is why some historians, specifically Zaide, stands with the claim that the first mass happened in Masao, Butuan, that is located on the northern tip of Mindanao. And on March 31, which was Easter Sunday, Magellan instructed the chaplain to conduct a mass near the shore. Upon learning of this plan, the king sent two dead pigs and attended the mass alongside the other king. So, due to the sense of being a Christian and the sense of their faith, they needed to attend the a mass, expressing their gratitude upon arriving safely and successfully in the Philippines. So, this incident also depicts that the native and the Spaniards eat lechon baboy in Cebu. So, during this expedition, pilot Francis Albo maintained a logbook in which he documented the erection of a cross on a mountain that provided a vantage point overlooking islands to the west and southwest. Um, so Francis Albo fails to reference the initial mass, but he does note that the cross was erected on a mountain. And Dr. Jaime de Vieira, a historian and professor at UST or United University of the Santo Tomas, contested that the first mass occurred in Limasawa and not in Butuan. Pablo Pastel, a historian, mentioned in the footnote of Francisco Collins' Labor Evangelica that according to him, Magellan did not travel to Butuan, but instead went from Limasawa to Cebu. So, some historians argue that the first mass took place at the site in Masao, Butuan. So, in 1872, a monument was constructed in Butuan to honor the location of the first mass in the Philippines. So, up until 1900s, that is the claim that they only believe in, that the first mass took place in Masao, Butuan. Until in 1953, the resident of Butuan requested the Philippine Historical Committee to restore the monument or install a marker at the site. So this is where the issue opened, uh, because they later found out that uh, the first mass took place in Limasawa instead of uh, Butuan, because there is this document that Antonio Pigafetta and Francis Albo stated the exact measurement of Humonhon to Limasawa. But then Zaide pinpointed Masao in Butuan as the place where the first mass took place. Zaide's assertion is based on Antonio Pigafetta's diary and records of Magellan's expedition. So, evidences that supports Limpasawa as the first site of the mass. Number one is the Albos logbook. And Albo served as a member of Magellan's expedition and held the position of pilot aboard the flagship La Trinidad. Upon the expedition's conclusion, he was among the 18 individuals who arrived and made the journey back to Spain. Additionally, he maintained a personal diary in the form of logbook throughout the duration of their voyage. Then next is the previous slide, please. Pigafetta's Chronicles. Pigafetta served as the designated chronicler for Ferdinand Magellan, documenting all his observations during their voyage. The record of Pigafetta was utilized in the following ways. So that is the Pigafetta's testimony regarding the route, Pigafetta's drawn map, the two native kings as stated earlier, Pigafetta's Chronicle, and the 7 days stay in the place called Mazawas. Next slide. So the conclusion is the first Catholic Mass in the Philippines believed to have occurred in Limasawa as affirmed by the National Historical Commission of the Philippines and supported by available historical evidence. So it is essential to recognize that historical interpretation may change without new evidence. But given the current understanding and the significance of historical accounts and exact opinions, Limasawa is generally acknowledged as the location of the first Catholic Mass in the Philippines. Then a law was approved in Congress regarding in this matter, although it is still being discussed. So the Republic Act of 273, an act to declare the site of in Magellan's Limasawa Island in the province of Leyte, where the first mass in the Philippines was held as the national shrine to provide for the preservation of historical monuments and landmarks that and for other purposes. And here are the references. That would be all. Thank you.